my insights of all the topic that we discussed. First is cost behavior and estimation. Cost behavior describes how much change with business activity, for example, production, categorized as variable, proportional, fixed, constant, and mixed both. Cost estimation predicts future costs by analyzing past data with methods like high flow, scatter graphs, or regression. Together, they are the case of budgeting, pricing, and strategic decisions. Relevant costing for decision making. Relevant costing helps you avoid the sunk cost fallacy, not letting money you've already spent like the non-refundable ticket drive decisions. Instead, you focus only on future costs and benefits of each choice, just like deciding whether to finish a bad meal or order something new. So relevant costing forces you to think about what you've losing as much as what you are gaining, making your decision way more complete and just looking at direct costs alone. The third is smart pricing decision. Smart pricing decision is a strategic approach where you set and adjust prices based on three key factors: what customers actually value, your long-term business goals, and real-time data on demand or competition, not just what it costs to make or provide your product or service. It turns price from a simple cost cover into a tool to drive results, whether that's attracting more customers, building loyalty, or positioning your brand as premium. The fourth one is smart ordering and inventory management. Smart ordering and inventory management is a productive, holistic system, not just stock tracking. It is uses real-time and predicted data to connect sales, suppliers, and customers' needs, anticipating changes like demand surges to avoid stockouts or overstock, and coordinating with suppliers early. It turns inventory from guesswork into a data-driven asset that saves money and avoids stockouts or waste. And the last one is quality and customer satisfaction. Quality and customer satisfaction are deeply linked by three key truths. Quality is customers divine, not just internal rules. Closing the gap between what you promised and deliver prevents unhappiness, and exceeding expectation in meaningful ways drives loyalty. All, all of which requires continuous feedback to keep improving over time. In short, it's not just about being good. It's all about being good at what matters to your customers, keeping your word, and going to an extra mile when it counts, while always listening to stay aligned with their needs.